In today I'm going to show you how to create freeze frame transition in Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's do it. Here is the video footage of a ghost and another is a video footage of a TV. We'll select both together and go to After Effects. We'll move to After Effects and there are two layers here. We must remember to place the top layer below. Then we'll go to the second layer, duplicate it and freeze frame this layer. We will bring this layer 10 frames forward. Next we will mask the screen. As you can see here, the masking is done. Then we will subtract the layer. Duplicate the layer and again create add here. Next we will bring the top layer down. And we will create opacity animation. Now we will pre-compose these two layers above. Next we will zoom it. See, it's zoomed in. If we want to smooth it further, we will press F9 from the keyboard. We will turn on the motion of this layer. Now if we play it, it will look like this. If we want to extend this animation for a long time, then we will bring this to keyframe to the font.